Hello creative, welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about how I edit my features, my pictures in Capture One. Let's get started. ClarityVisuals, multimedia and creativity. Firstly, we are in Capture One. So firstly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to deal with the white balance. So in this white balance, I'm going to reduce the curving to the blue axis to make the picture cool. It's like the image somehow overexposed. So I'm going to leave the exposure alone. So I'm going to add a little bit contrast to it and a little bit saturation. So 4 or saturation is okay. So I'm going to go to shadow, decrease the shadow a little bit, add more black to it a little bit. As you can see, the image is being reduced a little bit. So I'm going to increase the highlight a little bit. I'm going to increase the exposure a little bit. I think it's okay like this. It's okay like this. After then, I'm going to go to my levels and to drag this a little bit. I think this is okay. I think this is okay. So other than, I'll go to my color. I think she have a red in her lips, so I'm going to make the red pop out a little bit. Because if you look closer to her lips, you can see some red. You see some red in beneath of it. That you see some red. So other than the green in the back is okay. So I think this picture is okay like this. So you can see the before and the after, before and the after, before and the after. So right now I'm going to go to my next image. So this image is overexposed. So firstly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my exposure. I'm going to reduce the exposure a little bit. Then add contrast to it a little bit. Then add a little bit highlight to it, a little black to it, a little white. I'm going to increase it a little bit. Now I'm going to my levels. So I'm going to drag this to this axis a little bit. I think here is okay. So after then, I'm going to go to my color. I'm going to my color. I'm going to go to my yellow. Add a little saturation to the yellow and a little bit lightness. I'm going to take this lightness a little bit. So then I'm going to go to the green. There's a green and so I'm going to add a little green to the flower inner and a little bit, the darkness a little bit. So then I'm going to go to my, I think the picture is okay like this. So you can see the before and the after. This is the before and this is the after. You can see there is a little difference in it, that before and the after. So I think this image is okay like this. So for me, I'm satisfied with this image like this. So I'm just go to the adjustment layer, add a little bit saturation to it to make the image have more saturated face. Yeah, I think the images. Okay, like this. So this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. I know if you want to learn how to edit Capture One, so I think these are now. I believe you can edit in your Capture One. So if you have an idea of your Lightroom, if you know how to use Lightroom, Capture One, it won't be very difficult for you. Although Capture One is very complicated and very different to Lightroom. Lightroom is so simple. So it depends on your skills and your ability on how to edit Lightroom. I hope this tutorial added value to you. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. God bless. And always be creative.